Hi, my name is Vishwamitra, and as you can see, this is a jumbled up Rubik's Cube, and I'm going to make each phase a particular color. Like for example, this phase a yellow color, or this phase a blue color. And I'm going to do this while singing a song, which is originally sung by Elvis Presley, and I'm changing a few words according to the situation. So let's start the song. Stop, look and listen, baby, that's my philosophy. It's called Rubik's Cube, baby, and that's alright with me. Hey, 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 stop, look and listen, baby, that's my philosophy. It's called Rubik's Cube, baby, and that's alright with me. Hey, 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 first thing in the morning, last thing tonight. I like what I do. I do what I like and it gives me such a thrill. Hey, 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 sitting on the blackboard all by myself. And then along came a Rubik's Cube and I just couldn't help myself. Hey, 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 stop, look and listen, baby, that's my philosophy. It's called Rubik's Cube, baby, and that's alright with me. Hey, 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 sitting on the backboard, I don't really care. I like what I do what I like, and it gives me such a thrill. Hey, 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 first thing in the morning, last thing tonight. I just turn everywhere and I see everything inside. Hey, 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 stop, look and listen, baby, that's my philosophy. It's called Rubik's Cube, baby, and that's alright with me. Hey, 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 stop, look and listen, baby, that's my philosophy. It's called Rubik's Cube, baby, and that's alright with me. Hey, 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 stop.